What if one decision you make this year determines whether you struggle financially next year or quietly build generational wealth? Let me ask you a simple question. Have you invested in Southeast Nigeria this year? Because if you haven't, what you're about to see might shock you. Across the region, something unusual is happening. Land prices are rising, industries are multiplying, roads are expanding, cities are transforming, and yet most Nigerians are still looking the other way. But those who understand what is coming are not waiting, they are positioning, because by next year, the story might completely be different. The Southeast is not loud about its growth. There are no massive PR campaigns, no global headlines, but beneath the surface, a quiet revolution is taking place. From Aba's industrial rebirth to Nnewi's manufacturing expansion to Enugu's urban modernization, the region is rebuilding itself brick by brick. And here is what makes it dangerous to ignore. This growth is organic. It is driven by local investors, diaspora funding, and entrepreneurial culture, not dependency. This is not hype. This is momentum. Let's talk about land. In 2022, plots in developing areas went for modest prices. In 2023, they doubled. In 2024, some tripled. And now, in 2026, entire communities are being bought out by smart investors. Places once considered bush are now housing estates, mini industrial hubs, commercial zones. The people who bought early are no longer asking if they made profit. They are asking, how much more can this grow? For years, Aba was overlooked, but today, it's roaring back. Factories are reopening, local production is booming, road infrastructure is improving. Aba is no longer just a market city. It is becoming Nigeria's manufacturing engine. Those investing in warehouse, industrial plots, and logistics are positioning for something massive. Nnewi has always been different. It doesn't wait for government, it builds. From spare parts to full manufacturing chains, Nnewi is expanding beyond expectation. But imagine this, what happens when better infrastructure arrives? More capital flows in, technology integrates into production. You don't get growth, you get explosion. Enugu is transforming into a modern city. New estates, better roads, private sector investment. It is quietly becoming one of Nigeria's most livable cities. And investors are noticing, because real estate in stable, organized cities always appreciates faster. There is one force many people underestimate: diaspora investment. Every year, billions flow back in the Southeast. But now, it's no longer just for building houses. It goes into businesses, real estate development, and industrial projects. Diaspora investors are not emotional, they are strategic. And when they move, market shifts. Every major economic boom has one trigger: infrastructure, roads, power, transport networks. As this improves in Southeast, everything changes. Land becomes more valuable, businesses becomes more profitable, cities become more attractive. Infrastructure doesn't just support growth, it multiplies it. Here's the hard truth. Waiting is expensive. Every year you delay, land prices rise, opportunities shrink, entry cost increases. The same property you ignored this year may become unaffordable next year. And this is how wealth gaps are created, not by luck, but by timing. So what happens next year? If current trends continue, you will see more housing estates, higher land prices, increased business activity, greater investor competition, and most importantly, regrets from those who saw opportunity but didn't act. Right now, there are people quietly making moves. They are not posting online. They are not making noise. They are buying land, building structures, starting businesses. And next year, they will look like geniuses. But the truth is, they just acted early. So here is the final question. Have you invested in the Southeast this year? Because by next year, you will either say, I'm glad I did, or I wish I had. The window is still open, but not forever. The smart ones are moving in. The silent transformation is happening, and the future is being built right now. If you found this eye-opening, then you are exactly the kind of person who should not miss what's coming next. Subscribe, because in the next video, we are breaking down specific towns and exact locations where smart money is going right now. And trust me, you don't want to be late.